Welcome to Substance to Unreal Importer Setup. This importer is meant to automate Substance PBR setup for non-SSS and SSS workflow, as well as provide some quality of life by automating common repetitive steps when it comes to importing static meshes, skeletal meshes, and animations. Let's set up Python for Unreal. To allow scripting the editor using Python for Unreal, you'd need both Python Editor Script plugin and Editor Scripting utilities. Under Edit/Plugins, search for these guys and enable the plugin. And restart. Copy Python folder into Unreal/content/ and restart. Run the Auto Importer Editor utility widget. Click on Open Importer UI to run the script. To get some quick tips on how to use the UI, click on Help. Let's run through the UI. Import as refers to the type of U asset that will be generated. Category refers to the subfolder that will be created in your project. Material type refers to the master material that will be created if it doesn't exist already. It will also create physical materials automatically assigned so we can do physical surface checks. Try to use existing master materials instead of creating custom ones. Non_SSS refers to materials that doesn't support SSS but supports opacity. SSS refers to materials that support SSS but doesn't support opacity. FBX file/files will show the items that you intend to import in. You can import multiple files from different locations if you wish using the Add button. If mistakes are made, you can double-click items to remove from list. Or just clear everything. And your setup is good to go. Thanks for watching.